Hello, fellow 18s and berries! Meron na naman tayong fancam sa pagsundo kay Nostel, Ate Lea, and Gem Musical Director sa airport plus a meet and greet. Kaya watch nyo until the end to see what happened. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Keep watching!
May pasalubong agad. Hello po.
Sobra! Ay, sila ate.
Janine!
Guys, search on YouTube, Style Singing All By Myself by Wanna send you posters? Yes, of course. I miss
And as you can see, may pa-flowers and gifts nga ang ating 18s. O yan na nga si Jonard, fresh in the flesh, super guwapo. At nautusan pa nga kami mag-assist sa bagahe ni Stel.
Hi guys. Ito lang naman tinutulak niya. Labas na kami.
Wala na sila Stel dito, so iniintay na lang namin yung pipick up ng luggage.
Then, gusto lang po namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat for supporting this concert. And, ayan, mag-enjoy lang po tayo lalo tomorrow dahil marami po kami hinihandang mga sorpresa. Lalo si Stella, dami yung mga sorpresa para bukas. It will be a great show tomorrow. Talagang mag-enjoy po kayong lahat. Kaya if you have friends na hindi pa po nakaka-avail ng tickets, meron pa pong tickets na available. So I hope you guys can invite your friends for tomorrow's concert. Thank you!
Hi everyone, good evening po! First of all, I would like to thank Star Media Entertainment for bringing this wonderful, wonderful concert here in the US and of course in Canada. And of course, thank you din Kuya Eric for...
Napaka-formal pa na.
Maraming salamat po kasi sinama mo ako and bagong opportunity for me, experience, because you know naman na I always do concerts, US and Canada too, with SB19. But now, this is a very different feeling for me kasi alone and with sobrang kilala, sobrang sikat, sobrang galing na singer.
Assistant.
Hindi, pero alam naman namin na yung mga kapwa ko sobrang supportive. Kaya naasahan namin bukas na mag-iingay kayo. Okay, kaya tuloy na sabi ko, Eric, if you have mga friends na walang gagawin tomorrow, mga family, o mga jowa nyo, invite nyo na tomorrow para mas marami tayong magkakasama. Okay ba yun? So yun, again, thank you so much. Sana nakikinig na kayo. Thank you po, thank you.
You will start the photo op already, so maybe we'll just do...
Maraming salamat po kasi sinama mo ako.
Ayun na nga, okay nakita. Kinikilig. Diyos ko po, ang harot.
You know naman na I always do concerts, US and Canada, but now, this is a very different feeling for me kasi.
So ayun, nag-start na ang photo op and then nagkaroon din kami ng chance ibigay yung mga birthday gifts namin kay Stel since he just celebrated his birthday. Ayan na, inaabot na ng loka, coach daw, kasi coach Stel. Ayan ang aming pictures and yun na nga, thankful at na-meet namin sila. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!